icons may be small, but they have a big impact in your web design. The challenge is you don't always get the trendy icons you want. Plus, WordPress doesn't let you upload SVG icons by default, which makes things even harder. That's where the ElementsKit Icon Pack module comes in. It's loaded with modern, stylish icon and even lets you upload your own SVGs with ease. ElementsKit is an Elementor add-on, so you must have both Elementor and ElementsKit installed and activated on your site. Once done, come to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to ElementsKit modules. Here, find the ElementsKit Icon Pack module and toggle it on, then hit Save Changes. This activates a collection of beautifully crafted icons ready for your use. Now, head over to any page and open it in Elementor. Drag in any Elementor native or third-party widget that allows you to add an icon. Then, open the icon option within the widget settings and click the icon library. Doing this will open the icon library on your screen. You'll see a fresh ElementsKit Icon Pack tab. Once you get inside, you will find a wide range of versatile icons, like a cutlery icon for restaurant sites, a stylish X icon for the rebranded Twitter, a unique icon for manager responsibilities, and so much more. Look for your preferred icon, select one, and hit the Insert button. That's simple. Further, you can customize the icon color, background, border size, height, width, and rotate the icon to give your desired look. To upload an SVG icon, select the Upload SVG option and insert icon from your device. And your custom icon will be on your Elementor interface. And there you have it. Using beautiful, lightweight, and customizable icon made easy with ElementsKit Icon Pack module in Elementor. Your design will now stand out with style and performance. Thanks for watching.